Good morning mga kabs. So last 2 days ago ata, bumili tayo ng bagong iPhone. Yun, ito. So pauwi tayo ng Pilipinas kasi maybe in a few months magbabakasyon tayo. So binila ko ng bagong iPhone yung kapatid ko kasi nga dahil natuwa ako kasi may lisensya na siya. Kasi kung naalala nyo, meron akong isa pang motor sa Pilipinas, ito yung Mio. So since nandito naman ako sa Qatar, naisip ko ibigay na lang yun sa kanya at sabi ko kumuha na rin siya ng lisensya. Kaya pag kumuha siya, sabi ko bibilang kita ng bagong iPhone. So ngayon dahil nabilang ko na siya ng bagong iPhone, susubukan natin tong camera niya. Actually na-open ko na yan. Susubukan natin yung camera niya, magbablog tayo. Shoot! Magbablog tayo, gagamitin natin itong ano niya, iPhone niya, yung bago-bago niyang iPhone. Subukan natin. Kaya tara, let's go. So ayun, palabas na tayo ng bahay, dala na natin itong iPhone. Ay, muntik pa tayo madulas. Okay, ground floor. Uy, ang ganda ng camera, linaw. So ito sa Aero. Ito yung gagamitin natin pang vlog ngayong umaga. By the way, ito nga pala yung iPhone 13 Pro. Tapos 16GB and 256GB siya. So tara, let's go. Buksan natin.
Trooper riders in the zone. From Philippines to Qatar, we ride, we own. Monkey and two wheels, throttle loud, chrome bones. Welcome to the land of heat and stone. Rolling down Sour Road, thunder in my chest. Doha City lights, no time to rest. Cornish nights, skyline flames. Trooper riders born to play no games. And us to your zone, sparks in the air. Ray and twist, you better beware. Mesa eat stretch, full power, no fear. Monkey machine, red line clear. We move as one, never ride alone. Brotherhood on chrome and stone. Respect the road, respect the code. From Alcor up to Lucille Road. Monkey and two wheels, we ride through the fire. Trooper riders, talk and desire. From peanuts to guitar, our spirit won't tire. We own the streets, legend inspire. Monkey and two wheels, we ride through the fire. Trooper riders, talk and desire. From peanuts to guitar, our spirit won't tire. We own the streets, legend inspire. From Dukan Sand to Al Wakra Coast, full throttle kings, we raise the toast. No fear zone, helmets on, gasoline blood till the break of dawn. Sparks fly in the heat we chase. Oil and dust on a steel embrace. We grind, we build, we live the thrill. Monkey in two wheels, forged in skill. Lucille circuit, tires scream loud. Troop of pride in front of the crowd. Every curve, every lane we bend. This is the life that will never end. Engine roar like thunder we roll. Riders of the night, heart and soul. Unity, loyalty, built from pain, Trooper riders, remember the name. Monkey and two wheels, that's a king's ride. From Doha to Dukan, side by side. Monkey and two wheels, forever we reign. Trooper riders, remember our veins. Monkey and two wheels, that's a king's ride. From Doha to Dukan, side by side. Monkey and two wheels, forever we reign. Trooper riders, fueling our veins.
Malapit ng bahay ko dito eh. Yeah. Nandito kami sa Bus J. Pares. So sinundan ko yung mga monkeys. Kasi nag-almusal sila dito. Nandun yung dalawa sa loob. Tingnan natin kung gano'ng gandang zoom. Ay, fairness ah.
Pag hindi factory 1,000. Pag factory lagi mo 1,100.
Mga matatao kumain sa loob. Monkeys. Maganda rin yung zoom.